It's all about the pumpkin punch. Alright, my viewers? Yeah, man. It's all about some sea moss here. How it look? How it look?
Jamaican farmers. Hot.
Jamaican farmers.
Ready, we ready, and a gone, we gone. We are plant pumpkin and we are plant some corn. Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out.
Welcome back, my viewers and subscribers, to another punch. Yeah, it's all about Jamaican farmers Zut. And if you're new here, my name is Ever Slick. Welcome back to another video. In this video, it's all about the pumpkin punch. Yeah, it's all about the pumpkin punch. Alright, my viewers? Yeah, man. It's all about some sea moss here. Alright, I have some little ingredients here too, you know. A Malta, 2 supplement. If you notice, 2 different supplement. Alright? Yeah. Little spice. Yeah, little molasses. Little honey. Yeah. Little roots. Alright, my viewers, stick around, you know, stick and stay. See what's going on, you can get a taste, alright? Right, that's right there, you know. Okay, my viewers, as you can see on my table here, it's all about the pumpkin punch. So first thing first, as you can see, there's a little piece of carrot. There's a single carrot. 1 carrot is inside here, cut in 4 pieces. Alright? Alright, you peel the, wash the pumpkin, cut it up, put it into the pot on the stove, cook it for 15 minutes with 1 carrot. Yeah? You make sure you soak your sea moss overnight. Alright? And then you get your little ingredients. Yeah, whatever you're gonna use. Some people use jargon, but you don't know. Yeah? It's all about we going smooth and easy. No alcohol. Alright? Yeah? And if you should want a touch of sweetness, yeah? We have Miss Betty here, alright? This is not a sponsored video, alright? Yes, and molasses, honey, almond, vanilla. Yeah? That girl vanilla, nutmeg. My viewers, stick around. It's all about time to get inside the blender, alright? Seeing? Yeah, man. Stick around, see what's coming out, alright? Have to get the pumpkin and the 1 carrot blend, alright? So, yeah, we're going to get everything inside the blender here, because it's all about time to blend. Get this piece of pumpkin nice and smooth. Yeah, you don't cook it into a lot of water. 2 cups of water, 2 cups of water, that's good. That is good for it, alright? Yeah. Yeah, man, I jam down, you know, we are trying to keep it patwa. See? Yeah. Alright, this is the water from the pumpkin. Pumpkin is very rich, you know. Yeah? Alright, here goes our pumpkin. Here, my viewers. Inside the blender. Look nice, yeah? Alright. Make sure it's smooth and nice. Frozen pan ice. Yeah, man. Show what's going on, my viewers. Show what's going on here, man. Yeah. Nice, rich and thick. You know? Smell nice too. Alright. Pour it inside here. Yeah. Looking rich, don't it? Tell me what you think. Drop something into the comment box. Tell me what's going on with my punch here. Give it a punch, alright? It is time. It is time. It is time for my sea mass. Jamaican style, sea mass. See what I say? Or put it inside the blender now and chop it up. Sight? Yeah. This is it. This is it, my viewers. Soak overnight, alright? Don't have to throw all of the water in it. Time to blend. Yes, I. You know, I have to speed out a little part there because the sea mass kind of, take a while to blend out. Now my sea mass blend out, have the look of the pumpkin. Right, my viewers, pour it inside here. Yeah, man. You call them punch a powerhouse, you know? Yeah. All you need with them punch here now, nice cool shade and a seat. You're good to go. So I'm saying, yeah, I mean, man. So you heard it on Jamaican Farmers Hut, alright? Yeah? Right, my viewers. Go and get a big spoon and forward. Sight? Don't move. Stick and stay. Yes, I'm back at it. Alright? This is my sea mass and my pumpkin. Look on the color. Very thick and rich. Alright? Time for the ingredients now. Yeah, man, a Rasta time, you know. Alright. Get a walk now. Never have everything on board, you know what I mean? Never have everything on board, trust me. Yeah. I might walk now this Rasta. Side. Malta. Time for the Malta to go in. Yeah, man. We are putting the Malta here now. See? Yeah, man. The Malta go get a taste there, you know? Everything have them own work, you know, have them own work to do, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. After hard days work, I have to blend up something, brother. What you talking about? Yeah, man, I have to blend up something, brother. Alright. This is the first suppletion. Yeah? Alright, my viewers, remember say Jamaica now, you know. You go tip a little water in a can because a little bit left inside there, man. Little bit left inside there, man. Tip a little water inside there and shake it out. Yeah, Jamaican style. Don't forget you heard it on Jamaican Farmers Hut, alright? Yeah. Yardy style. You throw a little water in the tin and wash it out. The second one. Yeah. As you can see, two different flavor. Yeah. Supplement. Yeah, the supplement now boots up the thing. You see what I say? Yeah, make the pumpkin have a kick. Yeah? That me I talk about. Oh, yeah. Yeah, man, I can't play around, you know, man. After hard days of work, man, I have to put in back the strength, you know what I mean? Yeah. Alright. This is the roots, you know. Some roots, but not much. Because the peanut is very strong into the roots, you know what I mean? Yeah. So I'm not going to put in much. Alright. Molasses. Molasses. Don't play with that girl. She black. Yeah? Alright, watch it lick. Yeah, man. 1 tablespoon of molasses, you know. 1 tablespoon of molasses. Honey. 2 tablespoons of honey. Alright. So first, you have 1 pound of pumpkin. Everything gonna be on screen, don't worry. Alright. This is the girl, Vanilla. Yeah, that girl, Vanilla. Alright, 2 tablespoons of the dark skin girl, Vanilla. Alright? Yeah. Make sure you see this flavor, you know. It is not a sponsored video, but make sure. Yeah? Benjamin, see? Alright, now it's a the almond. It's a little bit, just a little tip off the cork. Yeah, just a tip off the cork, my viewers. You don't want much. Nothing mega. The nothing mega. This little brother now, when it comes to we as man, we don't intake a lot of it. But just a tip to give a little flavor, yeah, and the taste there. Alright. You just scramble a little bit up on top of it. I want more than that. See. Mix again. Alright, my viewers. The pumpkin punch have a little body to it, you know. Yeah. So you see right now, so if you want a little bit more taste, you can put in 2 tablespoons of this lady here. Miss Betty milk. Alright? Yeah. Yeah, man. Show you the color. Show you the color. Whoa, smelling very nice, you know. It smells very nice. Alright? It have a nice smell. That means that it is, whoa. Don't worry, my viewers. You go and get a taste to it. Everybody go get a taste, man. Don't worry. Just stick and stay. Same. Have to get a taste. Yeah? Alright, you know, my viewers. Run the clean on me and miggle and taste how it tastes. Yeah, yes, my viewers. Miss Betty have got to deal with that thing, you know. Yeah? So right you know, 2 tablespoons of Miss Betty. Yeah? And we're good. Yes, I. 2 tablespoons of Miss Betty. We're going to look some ice you know, to spice it up. You know what I mean? Yeah, my viewers. The pumpkin punch is on his way. Alright? Seems like you want a touch. You want a little more of Miss Betty milk. Yeah. I'll give it 2 more tablespoons. Alright? Yeah, man. 2 more tablespoons of Miss Betty. And I'm supposed to good. Yeah, you have to stir, you know. The pumpkin punch is on his way, man. So you don't know, when Darius and Florence come check you, yeah, as a man, and you have your little pumpkin punch on your fridge with your sea mask and your supper Jenny night that boots you up. Then what can hold you? Nothing can hold you, brother. Yeah, man. So you hear it from Jamaican Farmers out here. And don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe. If it nice, press the like button for me, no, man. Because I know no taste it already, I go and mix it out. What's the color now? The more Miss Betty, the more it get clear and white, So, yeah. Yeah, my viewers, see it there? See it there? Yeah. I see a piece of carrot inside it still. But don't worry. Have everything under control. You know what I mean, man? The pumpkin punch. So, you see when we drink this now, we're going to root up anything with the honey we put on long and no move. We are going to root it up. And that the pumpkin punch do. You just punch up everything and put on top. So I say, yeah, everything what up on the side. Run a back around this one and we run a corner. Up so round so down so. The punch I go just, shake up everything and get everything in one. See? Yeah. Yes, my viewers. Juice ready. Yes, my viewers. Juice ready now, my viewers. Still a drain out the can in a Jamaican tan. Still a drain out can. Still a drain out can. See? See. Alright. Don't want it sweeter than this, So right now, I have my glass here. It is time for me to get my ice. Right? So guess what's going on now? Guess what is going on now? Stick around, stick and stay. I'm going to get my glass so that you guys can get a drink, alright? Soon forward. Alright, my viewers. My ice is here. Everything is out of my tray. Alright? This is time. This is the time. Alright? It's time to serve my drink. The pumpkin punch. Yeah, my viewers. The pumpkin punch. Yes, my viewers. How it look? How it look? Yes, my viewers. Nice. Nice punch. Frozen pan ice. Pumpkin punch, alright, with a little sea moss, alright? Yeah. That's what I'm talking about, bro. Yes, my viewers, after a hard day's work, come out of the hot sun, make a punch, man. Sit in back, put little ice to it, make a drink, put back little health and strength in our body. You see what I say? Yeah, my viewers, you don't know. It's all about Jamaican Farmers. So don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to the channel. That's so you can taste more punch like this. Alright? So yeah, man, if you're new here, my name is Ever Slick. Yeah? And if you want to watch the next video, hold on. I'm gonna use a spoon to show you what's going on. If you want to watch the next video, watch this one here. But if not, you can watch this one over here. Alright? My name is Ever Slick. My viewers, the pumpkin punch, I'm out. Thank you for watching.